Hello everyone. So this is the second part of Indian geography and the world MCQ questions. The first question is the first large scale modern machine tool factory set up in public sector is option A 1953. Option A is the correct answer. The mean thickness of the ocean crust is our ocean crust mean thickness is 5 kilometer. The state having largest area of forest cover in India, so that is MP, Madhya Pradesh. If question is asked like the percentage of forest highest in India, so that is Mizoram. Okay. The typical area of sal forest in Indian peninsular upland occurs, so that is option D on the Malwa Plateau. Which of the following has potential for harnessing a tidal energy in India? So option A, Gulf of Cambay. The Red Cliff Line is a boundary between, so that is very easy question, India and Pakistan, and between India and China it is McMahon Line. What is the predominant type of Indian agriculture? So that is subsistence agriculture. Option D. The refineries Mathura, Digboi and Panipat are set up by which collaboration of the country? So that is Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Option A is the correct answer. The only zone in the country that produce gold and also rich in iron, so that is southern zone. Okay, basically southern zone of India is rich in gold. Project is on the river, so that is on the river bank of Chenab. The Yarlung Jangbo river in India is known as, so that is option C, Brahmaputra also is known as Yarlung Jangbo in Tibet, and in Arunachal it is called Dihang. The principal copper deposit in India lie in which of the places? So that is Hazaribagh and Singhbhum of Bihar. The southernmost point of peninsular India, that is Kanyakumari, is, so option D, north of the equator. The percentage of irrigated land in India is about how much percentage? So that is 35% of Indian land is irrigated. Okay, so option C. The hydroelectric project completed with the help of Japan is on the river. The Python hydroelectric project completed with the help of Japan is on the river Godavari. Option D. India established Durgapur, Rourkela and Bhilai steel plant in collaboration with which of the countries? So basically Durgapur is collaborated with Britain, Rourkela Germany and Bhilai is with Russia. So option B is the correct order. India's biggest super thermal power station is located in, so that is located in Nagpur, Koradi near Nagpur. Option C. World Forestry Day is observed on, so World Forestry Day is observed on March 21 every year. The largest producer of diamond in India is, so option A, Madhya Pradesh. Which city is known as the cotton police of India? So that is none other than Mumbai. Option B. The floodplain along river banks formed by new alluvial is called, so that is Khadar, and alluvial soil is good for rice cultivation. Okay. The gas which is largely responsible for greenhouse effect is, so that is largely it is water vapor. The 99% of mass of Earth atmosphere is confined to the height of, so that is 32 km from the Earth's surface. That confines 99% mass of the Earth. The good soil is black soil and it is also called cotton soil because it is good for cotton. Granite and basalt are the example of igneous rock. Okay. Limestone, coal, chalk, shale are the examples of option A, sedimentary rock. Quartz is metamorphosed from, so option B, shale. The highest peak of Peninsular India is Anaimudi. Anaimudi is the highest peak of Peninsular India. The scale on which the intensity of earthquake is measured It's named after Mercury. The earth core is made up of very heavy material, most constituted by, so it is option C, nickel and iron. The crust and the uppermost part of the mantle up of depth 200 km from the surface of the earth is called, so that is called lithosphere, option D. The radius of earth is, so option B, 6370 km. The leading producer of tea, which accounts for about 28% of total production in the world, is, so that is India, option B is the correct answer. The genesis is a coarse grained, so that is basically a metamorphic rock, option C is the correct answer. Monpa, Dafla, Aber, Mismi, Nishi, Nagas, basically these are the tribes, so these are the communities found in which state, so that is found in Arunachal Pradesh. Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve is located in, so Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve is located in Uttar Pradesh. The first out of the 14 Biosphere Reserve of the India, which was established 1986, it is Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, okay. And this is the first Biosphere Reserve also, Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, 1986 it was established, option C is the correct answer. The narrow mandarin bands of swift winds which blow in the middle latitudes near the troposphere of encircle the globe are is known as, so that is jet stream, option A. The first tidal power plant of India is located in, so that is Gulf of Kutch in Gujarat. The National Thermal Power Corporation, that is NTPC, was set up in the year 1975. The word tsunami belongs to which country basically, so it is option D, Japanese term tsunami. The Sonapani Glacier is longest glacier of, so that is option B, Pir Panjal range of the Himalayas. It is known as the thunder cloud, so option D is the correct answer. The Ran, Qatif, Aindar, Gawar and Safanja are the chief oil fields of which of the country, so that is Saudi Arab, option D. The leading producer of wind power in the world is, so in China. China is the leading producer of wind power. India's 3/4 of the total annual rainfall are received during the southwest monsoon season. This is a very important question. The world's largest producer of natural gas is Russia. So this is all about the geography of part 2 question, and 50 questions or more. So that is come with the part 3, and so do subscribe for more videos. All the best.